to the IY Sisters. Today we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree.
Freezing.
And yeah, it's like cold outside.
own money.
For those that don't know, we live in Oregon, and there's gonna be like a really big storm this whole week of snow.
Guess what?
Yeah, it's gonna be 14 inches, and that's
Look
why.
at my money. I have a long money.
Like my brother, that's probably up to my brother's like right here. It's gonna be like real
It's
bad.
gonna snow a lot.
Yeah, and like right now we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree because I'm doing a project, but I don't know if we're gonna have school next week on February
I have a
14th
long
because
money.
that's Valentine's Day, and I'm making a box for Valentine's Day because my teacher said that
He has a lot of money.
we're gonna have like a competition, like who has like a better box or who has like a creative box. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a box. So
And what movie? Wait, what box are you gonna create?
I don't know if you guys seen the movie, but it's called Up, and that's like probably one of my favorite movies. And it's really sad, yeah. So I'm probably gonna be making the house, and it's gonna be really fun.
I heard the stores are really full, so
Instagram.
Yeah, they are.
But the Dollar Tree's never full.
we'll see.
Hi guys, so we're here at the Dollar Tree, and it's not
full.
yeah, it's actually not that bad. And I think right now we're gonna start looking for like cardboard, and because we made a list for what we need, and let's go look for it. So.
Still find Neymar because he always disappears on everything. Every time we come to Dollar Tree. There it is. What are you buying?
6, 7, 8.
What are you gonna buy?
I'm going to buy.
So we just bought our stuff, and we're gonna go Walmart after this because
Basically, Neymar's being so loud.
and then we're gonna get some candies for my school and students, and then if we don't have school on that day, that's gonna be disappointed, and we wasted a lot of money. Okay, we'll see you guys in the car.
Hey guys, so we just arrived and Dollar Tree was not that bad. Everything was still there except one of our favorite chocolates. What is it, Aritzi?
Aritzi's back there in the darkness.
It's called Ferrero Rocher. We're hoping that this still has stuff that we really need. Like we need toothpaste, pancake batter,
Laundry soap.
laundry soap, strawberries.
Yeah, we had to get ready for the winter storm. Like I was saying, there's a lot of people that are like posting saying like all the stores like are really like packed, and like they have really long lines for like checkout.
You know what? I need a new blanket. That costs $1.
No, you don't need blankets. Jenna has like a million blankets.
Yeah,
These kids
and
have a
we-
lot of blankets.
No, look, me and
I
my
just
brother-
need-
Mexican, we're Mexican, so we have the Mexican blankets. They're thick and warm. So let's go inside now.
Yeah.
We'll see you.
Look at the line.
Look at the line. It is so long.
Stay tuned if I can get one.
What?
Line.
Let's go. We're looking for you.
Well, I'm playing hide and seek in the mall. It's not the mall. We wish it was the mall. Oh, look at wait.
Look at the unicorn. I'm gonna run to the unicorn.
If you guys don't know, unicorns are my favorite. Oh, look at this.
Really? Are they really trying to sell things like for summer? Like everybody knows, but it's still winter. Yes, sir.
Run it.
You guys want the JoJo bows? That would look so fashion on you, Aretsy. I could imagine you already.
I'm not JoJo though.
Janet with the JoJo bow. I can see her now.
It looks like these JoJo's bows. Llama, 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 llama.
Fortnite llama.
Can my wing
Look at that meat section. There's nothing, barely anything left.
Yeah, none of what?
Can't believe people just took it.
Let me see this.
You guys, there's like what is that?
This is the last one.
Third one?
It's turning out like Bird Box.
Like Bird Box?
Yes.
We're just taking everything.
Tortilla.
Tortillas. Let's go get tortillas. See, I don't know what there was in that section, but it's kind of gone.
Mommy, look at this. They first made a cereal. Now they're making a yogurt.
Yep, Sour Patch.
The cereal,
First they're sour.
then the sweet.
It actually tastes gross. I'm
The
not lying.
cereal. I know.
Sorry.
Oh my god, look at that.
Wait, 2 for 10.
Oh my goodness, look at the egg section.
How much?
Can you guys believe that? The world's gonna end.
Even there's.
The world.
So first they made Sour Patch.
Da-da.
Okay, guys, I want to tell you something. First they made Sour Patch candy, and then they made Sour Patch cereal, and now Sour Patch yogurt.
Take a load of this. So we're like ready for a winter storm, right? Everything's almost done. Okay guys, so we're back from the Walmart, and what you guys think?
Basically, okay, so right now, I thought it took forever. And right now, guess what time it is, guys? It's like literally 10.
07.
And a lot. And we've been there for like probably like 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours. The line
Not
was
the
super
line,
long.
not for the line, but like for the line, we've been there for like how many minutes?
30 minutes. I think 30
About
minutes.
30, right?
No, I think it was more like 40 or something like that. It was really
So
long. I
it's
felt
much
like it was
Yeah,
more.
it felt really long, so.
See you next time,
And
yo.
wait, subscribe,
Turn
on
on
post notifications, like and comment and share this
video.
video.